my friend, and welcome back. My name is Hannah, and today, I'm still working on the content. So if you're curious about what I'm wearing on my face, what I mentioned in today's video, and what I'm doing in other pockets of the internet, I always have links in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. The weather is so crazy right now. I don't know if you can hear the furniture in my backyard being blown around left and right. I could potentially have a tree come through my window. It's also raining cats and dogs outside. I enjoy this weather, but I don't want a tree through my window, you know? I don't want that. I hate the wind. The rain doesn't bother me. It's the wind that I'm not a fan of. But some other stuff, I'm not really wearing makeup today. I have a little bit of a retinal burn going on my chin because I went a little bit too hard with my retinal cream. So I'm not wearing any foundation. This is just my bare naked face. But I am wearing lip gloss, a brow gel, and a mascara. And I accidentally used my brow pen as an eyeliner, but I don't hate how it looks. And application was really easy. It was an accident because my brow pen looks exactly like my eyeliner pen. So there's that. But I wanted to sit down and make a video even though I had nothing really planned because I'm really proud of myself for posting consistently 5 days out of the week. And I don't want to break my streak because I feel like if I break my streak, it's just gonna revert me back to my old ways, and I want to be stronger, better, and faster. I just want to be a stronger content creator, so bear with me. But in today's video, I don't know, let's talk about the new God of War game, just because I'm about to go play it after I finish filming and editing this video. And I got a lot of thoughts and opinions. So I'm a PC gamer. I like playing my games on my computer. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy playing games on the console. I like my Animal Crossing game. I like Pikmin. I really can't wait for Pikmin 4. I like my Legend of Zelda. That makes it sound like I'm a Nintendo person. You know, even the Final Fantasy VII game, the original, the remake, I got a lot of thoughts and opinions about. But I played that on my PlayStation 4. But I enjoy and would rather play games like Cyberpunk or The Witcher or God of War, I guess even Final Fantasy VII, on my computer. My computer just looks better, runs better. I like the controls of my keyboard and my mouse over the controller and the D-stick. I didn't know this was a huge issue. I thought I was going to be able to get the new God of War on my computer, and I can't. I don't know if Cyberpunk was just kind of unique in that it released on PC at the same time it released on consoles. I don't know if that's a thing that I just assumed that's what happened because it had always been like that. I think. I don't. That's how much I don't know. I also have played the same game for 2 years straight. I'm not a real gamer. I'm not a real gamer. So I don't have this issue where I am running out of games to play because by the time I get around to the next game, it's already been out for a while. So maybe this is just I don't know, a personal problem or not a personal problem. It's me, not you. But I was reading into some gamer news, and it seems like Sony's exclusivity contract is really starting to bite them in the butt. And when I was reading these things, it just kind of, I don't know, highlighted something that I've been shouting from the back of the room for forever. It's how do we have all the Dark Souls games, Sekiro, Elden Ring, Elden Ring released on the console and PC at the same time as well, and that is a Sony exclusive, a PlayStation exclusive. And is it Demon Souls? Is that the one that came out the PlayStation 5? All of those are available, I believe. Well, I think Demon Souls, that might be the only one that's not. They're available on PC and on console, but not Bloodborne. And I want to know what's so special about the Bloodborne contract and why they won't bring it to PC, because I don't think that's From Software. I really do think that that's Sony and PlayStation being little jerks about it. Let me just do the hunt on my computer, please. I would love to join the hunt on my computer, and I like to hear the doll be like, hello, good hunter. I just want to live my Bloodborne fantasies on my computer. But I don't understand. I don't understand how Sony can't release these things on PC and like why that's an issue. And I mean, I guess I get it. Like it's Mac or Windows, and like Windows is owned by Microsoft that owns Xbox, but just because it's available on Steam doesn't mean that it would be available on Xbox. At least I don't think. I don't know. Again, not a real gamer, don't really know these things. Still learning. And it's just a shame because it seems like if God of War Ragnarok is released on PC, it won't be until next year, which again, for someone like me, that's not a big deal because again, I played the same game for 2 years straight, and by the time the Cyberpunk DLC comes around, so I just see myself continuously playing Cyberpunk for a long period of time. But then again, I don't know, like that's just confusing to me, especially for such a big game. Like I think the new God of War, like the God of War game or the most recent one that came out, I think people put in the same tier as like The Witcher, Red Dead. Gosh, what are some other big games that just people like? What are some other action adventure games? Silent Hill. Silent Hill, I think, came out on the console and was available on PC at release too. Why is God of War different? Am I missing something? Do I not know something? If you're a real gamer, let me know in the comments down below, and be nice for ripping me apart. But I don't know. I guess with that, because I feel like I'm just kind of rambling and not really making much sense and asking you more questions and I am giving answers, I will just end the video here. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you playing the new God of War game? Are you excited for the new Cyberpunk DLC? Are you PC, console? What's going on with that? Also, consoles have this thing where you buy like a pass. What is the Sony pass? What is this? What are these things? I don't understand. Why can't I just buy the game and play it? Why do I have to continuously make more microtransactions to get the game in its entirety? What is my $60 actually paying for when I buy these games? Again, if you have answers, leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, which will be more of, you know, my regular schedule kind of content, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.